everyone, and welcome to the video today. My name is Elizabeth, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you some of the resources that I use to learn how to use Instagram better. By using some of these training programs, I learned strategies that were instrumental in getting me more followers and also just getting my Instagram seen by more people. I use Instagram for my affiliate marketing business, and if you are an affiliate marketer or you have an online business, honestly, even just a regular business, and you want more people to view your Instagram and to follow you and to just really begin to profit from the Instagram platform, then you're going to want to check out this video. So there are two main programs that I use that helped me to kind of master the Instagram platform. There's a lot of resources out there, so you can use whichever one you want. I'm just going to share with you the two of them that I personally love the best. I will share with you the first one. So this is it right here. This is the Legendary Marketer platform. If you're not familiar with that, I've done a couple other videos on it, but this is basically a training platform to help you build and grow an online business. But within the Legendary Marketer website and members area, you're going to have even more training. This is the 15-day challenge. I actually recommend anybody that's building an online business or an affiliate marketing business to go through the 15-day challenge. It's great, very motivational, and also extremely informative. But I wanted to show you about Instagram. So here under products, you've got the business blueprints. I'm going to click on affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you the training that you can get within this platform. Okay, so here is the affiliate marketing business blueprint. And as you can see, this is the course right here. So we've got the introduction. It kind of walks you through what affiliate marketing is, choosing a niche, affiliate opportunities. It'll walk you through all of these things, setting up your affiliate accounts, everything like that. Now, in this video, I'm just going to focus on Instagram. So I'm going to come all the way down here. And as you can see in this section of the course, it's all about getting traffic. And you've got YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, email lists. So here's Instagram. So this is where I came, and as you can see, this is a video where you're going to be taught strategies to use for Instagram and what you need to do to kind of get more eyes on your Instagram profile. So this is an entire video all about that. You can also download it, the PDF or MP3 if you'd rather just listen to it. So this is just one section of the course, but this was great for me because I actually had not really used Instagram except for maybe a personal Instagram profile, and I wanted to switch over and use one for my affiliate marketing business. And so this was great training that is just one tiny little part of the Legendary Marketer course, but it was excellent, and I would suggest to anybody that's looking to get into Instagram or Facebook or YouTube to check out Legendary Marketer because they have so much to offer and their training is absolutely out of this world. The other one I wanted to talk about, the other program that I used is Wealthy Affiliate, and if you're a regular subscriber to my channel, you've heard me talk about Wealthy Affiliate quite a lot. This is an excellent training program as well, and it has a ton to offer. If you're looking to build a website and really start from scratch with your affiliate marketing business, this is where you want to come. This is super easy to follow along. There's tons of training and classrooms and everything, live events. This is really like the back office for me for my particular business. But they also have a lot of training in specific areas. And like I said, Instagram. This is just one of them. I'll show you. This is one of the live training videos that they offer that come out every Friday. So every week you're going to get a new live video training. And this particular subject matter is Instagram feed and stories posting strategies. So this is an hour-long live video that this is Jay right here. And he's the one that does the live trainings. So this was on September 20th. So this is all up-to-date information about Instagram and how to use it, how to set it up, and also what kind of strategies work. As you can see, this is what you're going to see in the video. He's going to talk about feed and story posting, talk about hashtags. He's actually going to post some stories live for you to see. That's one of the things I love about this training is not only do they talk about it and kind of share with you how to do these things, you actually get to see it done live, which to me is one of the best ways that I learn. I can retain the information and then I have to go and implement it myself. But if I see someone else do it first, it's so much easier for me to follow. Okay, also you've got the Instagram feed versus story. So which one do you really want to use in certain situations? And then your audience growth strategies. And at the end of every one of these live training sessions, there's a live Q&A. So anybody that's watching it live can ask questions. Like I said, this one was on September 20th, so it's already happened, but you can always re-watch them. They're recorded, and they're actually right here under live events. Okay. So all of these, this one's coming up, I believe, on Friday, or today's Friday, so this will be coming up today. And this is the one from last week, how to track your conversions. This is a whole bunch of some of the old videos. Or previous, I should say. They're not old. Here's the one I was just on, Instagram feed and story posting strategies. He also had, getting rolling with Instagram, amplifying the direction of your Instagram brand. These are all 1-hour live training videos, which are awesome. And like I said, if you're looking to master a certain platform, they have more than just Instagram. I'm just talking about that one in this video today. But if you want to master your Facebook platform, if you want to really build your YouTube channel, the training within here and also within Legendary Marketer are spot on, and it's one of the best and quickest ways to master these platforms and really get your business out there. Okay, so those are the two platforms that I used to really help me with my Instagram account. I'm going to leave a link to both of those programs for you to check out. Like I said, they're perfect for social media platforms as far as learning how to use them the most effective way. But they're also great for other training as well. So if you're an affiliate marketer, if you're an internet marketer, if you have an online business, those two programs are my number one and number two highly recommended programs to get the training that you need to really become successful. So I'll leave a link to both of those in the description. And that's it for today's video. I'll also leave a link to my Instagram if you want to check that out, as well as my my other social media platforms. And with that, I will see you guys in the next video.